This is my favorite part. This came as a set. It was $24 and some change at Walmart. It's Ozark Trails. I'll try and link something in the description and see. Maybe I'll link a few different options similar to this in the description. So it's meant to go with these little green propane canisters. These are around $9 a piece. Or I think the 2-pack was $9. They make them in singles, doubles, and quads. And then this also has little feet that come out, which isn't really necessary for what we're making, but if you have a larger pan or something and you want more stability. And just for reference, the 2-burner Colemans that I got Andrew was around 50 bucks or so. So you just set this in here, and then we take the burner and screw it in. Do people use these in their vans and in their cars? Yes. It's not really advised to do that. And if you're going to do that, at the very least, you need to have your windows cracked, because that's not good, you know? Propane, carbon monoxide poisoning, whatever, you know? So I have this Stanley French press that a follower sent me. Shout out to Miss Reggie. I have my water jug right here. This is a rechargeable electric water pump. These are really awesome. I have one that looks more like a sink faucet for the sink up inside of the van. There you go, it's on. It might be hard to see that blue flame, propane and propane accessories. And then we're just going to crank it up. It's a little windy out there, so I'm just bringing it inside the van with the van doors open and watching it. But that's one of the cons, I guess, of this, is that there's no wind guards or wind protectors. The 2-burner stove we have kind of opens up like a suitcase and then has 2 side wind guards. So wind isn't really as big of a factor for that. Just something to keep in mind, especially if you're on the water or somewhere coastal, or if it's just really windy. This is my favorite part. Turn this off.
Just be careful.
Very carefully. We're going to carry this back to the table. This is off. All right. Take out the plunger and the lid. I'm going to fill this up with water to the fill line. Perfect. So the fill line for this matches with this one perfectly. All right, don't hate me for the coffee we had. My friends bought this when we were camping, and I'm not gonna throw away free coffee. I know everyone's like boycotting Starbucks right now, but I ain't gonna throw away perfectly good coffee. There's a dog hair in this. It's fine.
Whatever.
It's too late.
There's dog hair in
So
there.
you just pour the ground coffee in here, as much as you desire. We like it really strong. And I would do for like maybe 30 seconds, let the ground sit on top. 30 seconds, then mix it. If you're not familiar, the loose grounds go in there. Plunger and lid is gonna sit on top. We'll start our timer, and we don't push it down until it's time. We'll come back in a few minutes. All right, It's been about, what, 10 minutes?
Yep.
We did it for longer. I took a bathroom break. We're at a local county park in the St. Pete area, north of St. Pete, kind of in between Clearwater and St. Pete. They have really clean bathrooms. It's really nice here. Really pretty. There's some other van lifers that come through. There's some people with like RVs. There was this really sweet retired couple with a nice RV that was talking to us, and the other day, well, you can't stay here overnight. They close at dark. Never take the plunger out to pour the coffee. All the grounds are in the bottom. Okay.
See if that pours better.
Let's see. We'll see if that was
Pour
the...
slow.
Oh yeah, it was the lid that was the problem.
There you go. Now you know.
Don't judge me on my coffee creamer. I just got a $2 one, okay? Oh, did you not want that?
Sorry.
Take the bigger one.
No, I normally bring it black.
Take the bigger one.
I don't want the bigger one.
Well, now it's too much.
No, it's fine.
Well, guys, I'm glad we could make this video. I've completely ruined my husband's coffee, but I'm glad that we could do it for the sake of YouTube. So thanks for joining us. Give us a follow and subscribe. Yeah. Let us know in the comments if you have a similar camp cooking setup. And as always, don't get bamboozled.